And there you go. For our Philippines, Hermes Eagle, ready. Scientifically known as Philornis Hulos. These endemic eagle can be found in the major islands here in the Philippines. They're mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now get your cameras ready as Freddy will fly across the stage. And there you go for our Philippines Serpent Eagle ready. Now just a fun fact, both Fred and Tinga were donated by the team in our last CQ 2019. So they are nourished, trained, and fed. So they are considered as training birds. Now lastly, for our flying birds, please look to your left as we call in our homing pigeons. So Nicola, pag ang homing pigeons, sumagawa sila sa inyong right side.
Sa right side, itawag ko siya.
And our homing pigeon sa Manini, homing ability, meaning they'll go back to its nest and mate. They have this natural sense called magneto reception for independent sectors, allowing them to perceive direction, altitude, and location. So how about a round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons?
Nabay nabiyaan. It's better late than never. Paspasan niya ay. Adiray lang pala siguro mas sa likod.
In the ocean park, we believe there is hope. We're not trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also the land and the air as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It's to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now, let's call in once again our lovely bird that is going to show us how to properly dispose our waste.
Sa
So
paano ay.
sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling because of improper waste management and pollution. So always keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. So see if Bandit can do it, then so can we. Now before I end the bird show, I would like to invite everyone to come down here and
Wow.
take photos
Red
with
bell,
our
burn bell.
birds. So you have a chance to hold our birds and take pictures with them. But pictures will only be taken by your official photographer right over there. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our bird show. Now, I would like to acknowledge all the birds and trainers that made this show possible. We have Taylor Denham up there as our DJ.